ang seng-seng.
Happy birthday.
Hello na.
Alala. Jamits lang yung pala. Peg namin ngayon. Sakit-sakit. Ano, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Nabawish natin.
Sana makauwi ka sa pangarap mo umuwi.
Ano ba wish natin?
Wish ko, alam mo na yun, kung ano yung mga wish ko pa.
Oo, alam mo na yun pala. Pero, dahil ko nire-remind sa'yo na tao ka. Okay? Okay lang kumita pero huwag abusuin ng katawan. Okay? Tapos ang bisyo, tigil-tigilan ng konti.
Malang hospital dyan.
Mahalang hospital dyan, dito ka, halika. Tapos sana baka uwi ka na nga, no? Pag umuwi ka sa bahay ka na. Konto-konto. Okay? Saka dapat kayo
No one told you life was gonna be this
basta
way.
enjoy na.
Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought you down to your knees. And I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me. Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day with, make it through all the mess with. Someone I always laugh with, even at my worst, my best is you. Yeah.
Messi Tol, kailangan mong madali kasi pag madami hindi masend eh. So, I miss you guys. Hopefully to see you soon. Sana ngayon kaya wala kaka-umpisa ko na sa McDo. So sana mag-birthday si Jollibee. Akala may mag-birthday na pala ako. So, kita kits. Miss Philippines. I miss everybody. Not just everybody there, but everybody here. So, whatever. Smile na lang. I need to sleep. Tutulog. May pasok pa ako later. Bye-bye. See you.